Looking for the best handheld milk frother but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best handheld milk frother based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. yidianideals EB003 Electric Milk Frother, LED&Wireless Charging. If you're serious about crafting the perfect coffee drink at home, this electric frother is a must-have. What sets it apart is the incredible speed control, offering 3 precision settings that let you tailor the texture of any ingredient to your liking, from silky smooth matcha powder to rich hot chocolate or thick, velvety foam. The 3 specialized stainless steel whisks are also a game-changer, each one designed for a specific task, whether it's creating microfoam for lattes, whipping eggs and cream, or blending protein powders without lumps. But what I appreciate most is the intelligent power monitoring, which ensures you never run out of charge when you need it most, a small but crucial detail that speaks to the product's overall design focus on convenience and ease of use. The detachable whisk heads are also a breeze to clean, and the kit comes with a magnetic charging base, storage stand, and Type-C cable, making it a total package that's perfect for home baristas who want to elevate their coffee game. Number 4. Maestri House MMFBX07 LunaFro Rechargeable Milk Frother. If you're a coffee enthusiast who's tired of sacrificing flavor for convenience, this handheld frother is a total game-changer. Its one-button design makes it ridiculously easy to get perfect milk foam every time, just press to start and press again to stop. The rechargeable battery and USB-C charging mean you can use it for months without needing to replace it, and the eddy water current cleaning system makes cleaning a total breeze. But what really sets it apart is its incredible power. It can get smooth and creamy froth in just 15 seconds, making it perfect for whipping up milkshakes, frappé, or other mixed drinks. Plus, its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to take on the go, so you can enjoy your favorite coffee drinks anywhere. With its versatility and ease of use, this frother is a must-have for anyone who wants to elevate their coffee game. Number 3. GinNini Milk Frother Handheld Dual Speed Splash Free. If you're tired of milk frothers that fall short with a tedious interface, a mess-making design, or a cumbersome setup, this one is a total game-changer. It boasts one-touch dual-speed control so you can seamlessly switch between high and low speed, perfect for cappuccinos, fraps, and protein shakes, or lattes and hot chocolate, with a simple single or double press. Plus, its splash-free design and 20-second auto shut-off ensure you get barista-quality foam without the hassle, protecting the motor for longer use. What's more, this versatile frother isn't just for coffee, it's perfect for protein powder, matcha, eggs, smoothies, and protein shakes, making it a must-have small kitchen gadget for home baristas. It's portable and battery-operated, powered by 2 AA batteries, so you can toss it in your bag and enjoy perfect foam anywhere, anytime. To top it off, it comes with a convenient stand and drip tray, keeping your counter dry and organized while the whisk stays clean and ready for next use. Overall, this standout frother is ideal for anyone who wants a hassle-free, high-quality milk frothing experience at home or on the go. Number 2. BellaVitas Dreams 21 Handheld Milk Frother Wand Rechargeable Set Electric Whisk, Coffee and Drink Mixer. This milk frother is a game-changer when it comes to frothing milk into silky foam, and I'm not just saying that because it gets the job done in seconds, I mean it's genuinely silky smooth every time. The 3 speed settings let you dial in the exact texture you want, from a gentle stir to full power, and the rechargeable design means you can use it cordlessly for coffee, matcha, protein drinks, and more. It's a complete barista set that comes with everything you need to make coffee bar-style drinks and decorated desserts, including 2 whisk heads, a stand, a stainless steel spice shaker, 16 latte art stencils, and a latte art pen. It's perfect for coffee fans, travelers, and families who love making coffee at home, and the 2 extra accessories, like the stainless steel spice shaker for dusting cocoa or cinnamon, really add to the overall value of the set. Overall, it's a great addition to any kitchen, making quick and easy work of frothing milk and whisking eggs, and it's even a fun and practical gift choice for birthdays, holidays, or the coffee lover on your list. Number 1. MAMBAKOTR KMF Rechargeable Milk Frother Handheld Electric Coffee Drink Mixer Wand. Imagine starting your morning with a perfectly frothed latte, the rich foam perfectly balanced with the bold flavors of your coffee. This handheld milk frother makes it happen in seconds, whipping up a velvety texture that elevates your daily drink to a whole new level. With its high-speed motor and instant on-off button, you have full control and can stop the frothing process at any time, preventing messy spills. The rechargeable convenience is a game-changer, eliminating the need for batteries and making it a perfect coffee accessory for your daily routines at home or at the office. The compact design and protective storage case make it easy to take on the go, and the durable, food-grade stainless steel whisk ensures safe and reliable use. Plus, cleaning is a breeze, just place it in water and power it on for a few seconds to flush away any dirt. It's a simple yet effective tool that's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their morning coffee or afternoon pick-me-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.